Good afternoon, everyone. Now we have here another variety of Aglaonema. It is a colorful one. It is called as Aglaonema Katrina. Aglaonema Katrina is one of the many Chinese evergreen that every lucky plant lovers are collecting. This plant has a beautifully patterned green and red leaves. This is a known plant among feng shui experts with its ability to bring prosperity and good fortune on your homes. Aglaonemas in general are low maintenance and perfect for newbies in planting. So this is Aglaonema Katrina. Very colorful. It is nice to be used as decor inside your house. So this is Aglaonema Katrina. Thank you for watching. God bless.